What is your call on homosexuality? Like, do you support homosexuality?
I completely support it.
There's nothing wrong in homosexuality.
Please change the question. It's an edited question, please.
Thank God she didn't slap me.
What's up?
What's up, India? It's Duke Bose from Street Flicks. You know, it's touchy, it's sensitive, but it's time for some people to come out of the closet and talk about it openly, because the way you are, we love you. And you know, like, it's time to express yourself openly and express your gender choices without any hesitation, because homosexuality, let's see how people in Kolkata believes. Are you in for it? So here I am with two beautiful ladies. So the question for you is, what's your call on homosexuality? Like, do you support homosexuality?
It's upon people. People who are into it, they do it.
Yeah, it's a choice.
It just depends from person to person, like your preference.
What? I don't know. It's like being straight or being gay. It doesn't matter, yeah?
Doesn't matter, indeed.
Please change the question. It's an edited question, please.
There's nothing wrong in homosexuality.
I think it's a very common thing, and people are getting more acceptable day by day.
It's very natural everywhere.
I completely support it because I think a person's sexuality is their own individual, the individual thing, and nobody is allowed to be to comment on that. Nobody should be allowed. It's their life, and they should decide whatever they want to do. I'm not against it, but then it's good. It's fine. If you're liking it, do it. If you're not, it's actually on your genes.
Now India is becoming a developing country, so it's cool with homosexualities and there's nothing wrong in it. And I guess, yeah, people should be free-minded
about it, and you should not judge.
Everyone and the other has a personal choice about it, so it's nothing to tell distinguishably.
It means very, very rubbish thing and very bad.
I think it's very natural. It's about what a person wants and who he wants to explore his sexuality with. So it's very natural, and I'm not against it.
Everybody should get what they want. It's not choice. It's a part of who they are. They should be allowed to be who they are.
I do support homosexuality. Like, every person has their choice. In our country, it's not supported.
Not very, but yes.
I also support this. It's everyone's personal decisions, right? So
Yeah, even I too support homosexuality.
Love is universal. It shouldn't be confined to, boys should love girls and vice versa. It should be spread.
It's about love, and it's about sharing love. So I guess it's very natural, and it doesn't matter who you want to share your love with, as long as it's a human being and as long as there is a mutual respect for each other. It's very normal.
If you were a gay or a lesbian, of course, would you tell your parents?
Yeah.
Sure, why not?
Yeah, why not? As I hope they understand.
No, I would probably think about that twice.
I think about it too, yeah. But I surely want them to know about it.
You know, everyone must have that courage to go and tell your parent about this.
अगर होते तो सोचते.
Yeah, of course, because as I said, it is about sharing love, and so my parents should be proud that what they have taught me, what ideals I have been instilled with, I'm sharing it with other people. So yeah, I would be telling my parents that I'm a lesbian. I would be proud of it.
Definitely. If I don't tell my parents, if they don't accept me for their son as I am, then how will I accept myself in the world coming to this?
Any relationships, not only to human being, but the whole family is included. So if I tell my parents, I think they will, anyone should accept, because it's about only a man can understand a man better, what I think, and a woman can understand a woman better.
obviously,
It's a very shame.
It's not a shameful thing. It's it's for people. They also one of us.
कभी नहीं. कॉमन नहीं है इधर. नेचुरल नहीं है. शायद बताती.
Yeah, I had to come out sometime or the other, but maybe I'd find a suitable time. Just not going and randomly bumping one morning on the coffee table saying, yeah, there you go.
if circumstances demand, then I would probably say yes.
It would be initially it would be hard to coming out or confessing, but my parents are supportive, so I know that. But it's because of the society, many people are afraid of coming out as gay. So I think I'll tell them, because I believe in my parents and they'll support me.
What is the most gayish thing that you guys have ever done?
I've gone to the same washroom probably. I haven't done anything.
You know, girls have more.
Yeah, I guess grabbing my best friend's boobs and ass, that would qualify.
Dressed as a woman. Walking in the streets of Ireland.
I don't know, dance with a girl or something.
When you'll see it when we both are alone.
not really like.
Spanking my best friend's ass.
Probably the same thing, hitting some guy's ass.
And I've kissed my best friend.
On the lips?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever done that kind of stuff because we used to just goof around much.
Nothing other than sitting too close and just holding each other's hand and all.
I have been on the receiving end of it, but I have never attempted and gone.
Any experience from your side? Like what you have received?
Flashing, exhibitionism. I have even been like groped. It's okay. It's okay. It can be with guys. It can be with girls.
Do you have any gay friend?
No.
Loads.
Yeah.
I had.
Do you have any gay friend?
Gay? No, I don't.
Yes, I know someone in my college.
I think they're bisexual friends I have, but I don't think they're completely gay friends. I don't have. I'd like to meet one someday.
Yeah, I do have a friend.
No, I don't really have, but I know many who are gay.
Actually, it's a small initiative by us for people to come out of their closet and like to express themselves freely.
They shouldn't be afraid. Like in India, it's like a sin to be something different than the social norm. Which is not right. People should have their own choice in sexuality and freedom in that.
Okay guys, so what's your opinion on people's freedom to choose their sexual orientation and live happily after that? If you have anything to say, please drop your comment on the comment box below and keep loving Tube Boss and what's up India? Thank you.
Hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time you upload a new video. Never miss to say what's up. Being gay is surely nothing to be ashamed of. No voice, no degradation. It's not a sickness, so it's a time for you to come out of the closet and declare your sexual orientation openly. We What's Up India supports the LGBT movement in India. Be proud of what you are. Keep watching us, support us and love us. And keep streaming What's Up!